we've got about a 1.5 pound, 2 pound piece of salmon. We're going to go ahead and take that out. And I like to use the salmon with the skin on. The skin on. It seems to produce a more moisture. It keeps the salmon moist when you have that skin on. So first thing you're going to do is take the salmon and clean it. Just rinse it off under cold tap water. And then pat it dry. Jackie, why don't you go ahead and put a piece of foil. And I'll put the shiny side down, but just stick it in the middle. So you take your clean salmon, skin side down, on top of a piece of foil. And then go ahead and put some extra virgin olive oil all over the salmon.
I'm going to lower it down so I can
just drizzle enough for it to be coated. And I usually just take my hands and just kind of rub it around. And then depending on your taste, salmon is such a great piece of fish. You can season it with your favorite all-purpose seasoning. We like the Tony Sanchez regular seasoning, but if you like it a little spicier, we have the extra spicy too. But since my husband is joining us tonight, we're going to do not so spicy. You just sprinkle it generously because you want your fish to have some seasoning. And I usually just coat it pretty nicely. And that's it. Now we take another piece of foil and we're going to create basically a steam to have the salmon cook evenly. Put the other piece of foil on top. And basically you're going to create a seal on each side. And then on each side like this. That's as easy as it is. You're going to go ahead and bake it at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and that's going to give you about a medium cook on your salmon. And if you like it a little bit more well done, go ahead and cook it for 25 to 30 minutes.
I want to share with you some cool facts about salmon and how they can support your health. Salmon supports your heart health. It's rich in vitamins such as vitamin A, B, D. It has minerals such as calcium, iron, phosphorus. It has another thing called omega-3, which can be very beneficial to your eyes. It also keeps your skin looking healthy. The other thing that I thought was kind of cool and relevant in today's society is that it gives an immune boost. So basically, a combination of the selenium, vitamin A, vitamin D, and omega-3 creates an immune boost, improving that an individual's immune system.